So this will be a feature that's included with every Proffit.ai account. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this on the right side. Can you guys see this little pop-up?
Yeah.
Okay. Connect your ad account and pages, create campaign, prompt. So you can put prompts there, what kind of media you're going to use, the goal. It's very simple and straightforward. If you've ever done ads before, and if you've ever used a tool like a graphic design tool like Canva before, this is basically the blending of both worlds. It's your Facebook ad account combined with Canva together with some AI mixed in so that you can sit here and very quickly make ads. Now, if I go to connect accounts here, and you can see Facebook and Instagram are there. We hit connect. We can go in here and describe what I'm advertising. Say I'm advertising affiliate marketing product that helps with paid ads. Just select the appropriate ones. Special ads category. This is if you're like credit cards, it has examples right here. Most people will not be in those industries, so just hit OK. Add your brand profile. For me, I'm not going to do that right now. I just want to show you guys what this all looks like. But let's say my budget was like 150 per day. Let's go generate ad here. I always go worldwide. Recently, with low ticket like this, worldwide is great because Facebook has gotten really, really good at just showing your ad to the right people. That's it. Seriously. AI Ads Lab is very simple. If you have an image as your ad, okay, let's generate one here. An ad showing somebody making a lot of money, funny image. Please enter brand name to continue. Specializing in affiliate marketing solutions. That's the campaign description. Okay, so we're going to generate campaign. And it'll just give like a very basic ad because I didn't put much in there. Okay. Now transform your ad game with affiliate automate. It's horrible because I misspelled it. But there it is. It created like a B-roll kind of video for you. Are you struggling to maximize? It created some copy. Is it the greatest copy ever? It's not great, but the more details that you give it, the better. The only thing your ad needs to do is stop people from scrolling and click the ad. That's it. That's all it needs to do.